The Fitness Circle Flex is a lightweight portable tool that's simple to incorporate into your Pilates or fitness routine. Featuring soft grip foam handles, the Fitness Circle Flex provides gentle resistance for upper and lower body exercises. It can add challenge to any level of mat work, but is particularly useful for beginners or those ramping up their workout. The reversible grips add comfort and control, whether pushing in or pressing out, making it ideal to work shoulders and arms, hips, and legs. The Fitness Circle Flex brings greater awareness to positioning and support in every move, and it's the perfect size to carry with you.